Hello everyone, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of Storytimes online here, we are also doing in-person Storytimes at the library. The in-person version of these Storytimes for the toddler/preschool age group are 10:30 a.m. on Mondays. Okay, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for Storytime? This week, our theme is vegetables. That means this week we are going to read books about vegetables or about characters who are vegetables. All right, our first book is LMNO Peas by Keith Baker, published by Beach Lane Books. We are peas, alphabet peas. We work and play in the ABCs. We're acrobats, artists, and astronauts in space. We are builders and bathers and bikers in a race. We're climbers, campus, and he's a circus clown. We're dancers and drivers round town. We're eaters, electricians, and explorers searching land. We're farmers, flaggers, and best friends in a band. We're gardeners, gigglers, givers and takers. We're hikers, inventors, and investigators. We're judges and jugglers. We're kickers, kayaks, and some of us are kings. We're listeners, miners, and neighbors right next door. We're nurses, officers, and outlaws taking more. We're painters, poets, and plumbers fixing leaks. We're pilots, parachutists. We're peas and... we're unique. We are quilters, quarterbacks, and readers. We're scientists, swimmers, and sailors on the seas. We're truckers, teachers. We are underwater divers. Voters, vets, and volunteers. We're weavers, wishers, and x-ray doctors too. We're yogis in a pose and zoologists, that's who. We are peas from A to Z. Now tell us, please. Who are you? Okay, that was LMNO Peas. What'd you guys think? What do you want to be when you grow up? All right, our next book is Monsters Don't Eat Broccoli by Barbara Jean Hicks, illustrated by Sue Hendra, and published by Alfred A Knopf. The waitress in this restaurant just doesn't have a clue. Monsters don't eat broccoli. How could she think we do? We'd rather snack on tractors. Or a rocket ship or two. Or tender trailer tidbits. Or a wheelie steely stew. Fum, fo, fi, fee. Monsters don't eat broccoli. Monsters don't eat broccoli, or artichokes, or greens. We can't abide alfalfa sprouts, or slimy lima beans. But redwoods are delectable. And boulders, what a treat! And a fountain so refreshing in this dreadful summer heat. Fum, fo, fi, fee, monsters don't eat broccoli. We're crazy for construction. And we crave our fish and chips. But monsters won't eat broccoli. It will not pass our lips. You cannot force us monsters to eat vegetables we hate. Let humans have the garden. We will eat the garden gate. Fum, fo, fi, fee. Monsters don't eat broccoli. Monsters love a picnic on a blanket in the park with a clump of giant maples and their yummy, gummy bark. Fum, fo, fi, fee, you're chowing down on broccoli. Say what? This isn't broccoli. It's crunchy munchy trees. And wow, they are delicious. Another helping, please. All right, that was Monsters Don't Eat Broccoli. What did you guys think? Do you hate broccoli? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean that we have to be done with story time. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-up. This week, our craft is this peas in a pod. Isn't that cool? To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for you guys on Mondays and one for the older kids on Wednesdays. So you want to make sure to grab the right kits or you could end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the group AK. They're the red ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!